Cummins in here. Common rail. There's the generator. .400 Hertz generator. 3-phase. Can't quite see what that says. Probably like a 90 kVA. Alright, here's the battery shut off. You can turn the battery off. These are the batteries on the generator. We'll turn this on to the on position. Half a tank of fuel. Starts up and idles. Then we're going to increase the RPM to its load rating with that one. Click it up. We're connected with number 2. So we select number 2 right here. Connect at the green light. Got the light. We're ready to go.